Hi, I'm Frank Brennan at MarineMax Rhode Island. I'm here to show you the brand new 2021 13 Sport. This boat is equipped, as you can see, with a 40 horsepower Mercury outboard. Has a great boarding ladder right here so you can get in and out easily when you're swimming or tubing or any things that you want to do. This one's equipped with the bow rail around here. It also has, as you can see here, an opening port that allows, which is a dashboard glove box, which you can use there. And we also have large storage under here for your anchor. The boat also is equipped with a beautiful trailer, so you can take it wherever you need. And we'll just do a little walk around so you can take a look at the boat. Over here is where your anchor light goes, nav light. You plug it right in here, and it's right here on the side of the boat with a mount. Also have a cigarette lighter here so you can charge your phone and any accessories that you may have. It's equipped with a single fuel tank. You can add a double fuel tank if you want. And again, here are your hitch points for either lifting the boat or for using it for waterways. If you have any questions, please feel free to call MarineMax of Rhode Island. Thank you very much.